that I'm here, let me show you here in presence here. If I go to the files here, it's a bit slow. So you can see this is where our files are here. So this is where my working environment are in. So for today's session here, we are going to learn how we are going to create the files like this one. So the shell or terminal, how we're going to create the folders, and a different way how we are going to display the date of this file, and then when the last time was modified. Okay, so stay with me. Okay, so let's say the first command that we are going to learn here is called touch. Okay, so the touch command is one we use to create the file in Linux and or Unix distribution. Okay, so let's start with this one, which is a touch. So as we know, PWD stands for present working directory, which is the root. Okay, so if I write touch, and let's say Asia, let's say Asia, Cambodia, okay, anything Africa. So this one will create the files in my present directory, this name. Okay, so if we're going to check, you can see here Africa, Asia, and Cambodia were created, right? Yeah, so this is how we're going to create a file there. Okay, by using touch. Okay, so later on we are going to learn about the cat command. This will display more about content and everything. So now let's learn how we are going to make a directory. Directory is simply the files. Yeah, for example, my work directory is root, right, which contain this all the files here. So for root, the command that we are going to use is mkdir. This one means we are going to create a folder, we are going to create a directory. Let's say I need to create a directory called let's say Apple, or say something like okay, let's say fruit. Okay, so here they are, fruits. Okay, let's go this one. You can see here there is a new directory, fruit created here, right? So let's say in case we want to create a files inside the directory. Okay, we'll discuss this later on. For example, I want to create a directory inside directories. Let's say I need to create a directory fruit, and then inside the folder says there is a Apple directory. So in this case, there's two ways. You can do this way. You can use the command cd. Cd means change directory. We need to change directory to the fruit that we are going to enter in directory fruit. So in this scenario, you can see here right now here we change. Now we are no longer in a root, right? Let's say pwd. Okay, you can see my current working directory is here in fruit, right? So from here we can do so many things. Let's say we are going to create another directory inside here. So we can say mkdir, let's say Apple. Okay, and this one when we execute, now you can see here inside here there is a folder created known as Apple. If we are going to check inside here, you can see here there is a folder known as Apple is created here. Okay, but this one is waste of time. Okay, what if we wanted the simple way? There is another way we can create last modified. Okay, timestamp. Okay, things like this one. Okay, so how we are going to achieve this command here. Hi guys, I think about how we can display the date. Okay, first thing that we need to learn about how to display the date and the line of the file. Okay, so how we are going to achieve this one? First, we are going to write the date for one of the file, and then we are going to output that date. And the second thing that we are going to learn today is about how to display the last modified files. You can work in multiple files, but you want to know exactly files when the last time was modified. Okay, so today I'm going to introduce a new command called cat. We are going to learn more about cat in future script, but cat is just a abbreviation for concatenation. This is only used for display the contents of one or more files without open the files for editing. Yeah, so because we are going to write the date to a file, right? So okay, file. Now let's try to start from the beginning. Let's say right now we are going to create the files. Let's say touch is used to create the files. Let's say touch. What's the name? Anything. Let's say iPhone. Okay, touch iPhone. So we know that this script you're going to create the files as iPhone. Okay. If we check from okay, this one is created here. So and now we are going to write a date inside the file of. So how to do this one? Cat. Okay, and then iPhone. That's great. Okay, so once we press enter here, we're going to write the date inside this one. Okay, so let's say September 10 of, let's say, which year? 2020. Okay, this all is a date that we display this one. Let's say November 11, the same year, 2020. Okay, so if you want to stop execution for this one, I mean stop writing here, you press the Control and D for Windows user. So for Windows user, just press Control and D. Okay, Control and D. So we are going back to the PW, which is present directories. Okay, so now we already write this one. So how we are going to display this one? So the command that you're going to use is -5. Okay, so this command that we're going to output the date inside these files. Okay, so how we are going to achieve this one? So we know that in all command with the date, we start the date, -file is equal to iPhone. Okay, once we execute, here's the output. Okay, so now we know how to display the date string at the line of the files. Okay, so now we know that from our PWD we already created the iPhone file. This iPhone file is already modified. I mean there are some changes inside this one. So how we can know exactly date and timestamp that this file was modified? So in this case we are going to check the command, which is -r. This one is used to check the last modified files. So how we are going to achieve this one? are going to achieve this one. First we write the date, hyphen error, and then we know it is in the root. Okay. iPhone. Okay, this is cute. Okay, so this one is the last time when it was modified. So if we come to check the properties of this file,